be the one that I'm loving on. You be the one that these bitches got nothing on. Hey, when I sip, you said, baby, that stuff alone. I think of you when I'm stuck at home. I gotta get out my head. I hear nobody around, they come back with my troubles gone. I need more space, fuck around about another home. I can't just wait, need to wait, put my brothers on. They don't understand what I'm facing. I know I gotta have patience. I need some meals, nigga, crib for these babies. It ain't an ass in the word that I'm chasing. Don't need motivation, I get up and grind. I had to sit back and wait. I know niggas hate it, I made it through difficult times. And are you okay? I've been on the road like 4 days, trying to piece to a hole. I've been on my own, baby, these other niggas acting on the road. Play the heat on and know it get cold. I barely talk to my friends, got a couple enemies in the wind that I gotta keep close. I have a dollar to spend, new truck really could've bought a biz, but I'm a hog on the road. I ain't give a nigga a chance, I didn't understand the way they were trying to hold nuts on me. When it made different plans to give me some bands, my bad bitches trying to come fuck on me. I don't wanna please keep on your pants behind the man don't stand, I'ma stomp on him. For a run, that a nigga get ran, your bitch is a fan, she acting like